How to personalize settings in Peacock. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure on how can you personalize settings in Peacock. Now to personalize settings on Peacock, you want to open up your Peacock TV first thing first, then click on the profile initials at the bottom right and go to accounts from the list. As you go to the account section, you can create up to 6 profile, a combination of kids and a regular profile for different user on one. Now what here you could do is you could just go to who's watching profile page and select the pencil icon under the profile you wish to update. From here you could change the avatar name and other details as well. Now moving on, you could also set maturity rating and 4-digit PIN each profiles to restrict access. So for that, you just want to go ahead and click on this pencil shape icon, and here you go. You could go ahead and enable the PIN as well as some sort of features or restrictions as well. Now moving on, you could also add movies, TV show and live events to your My Stuff section to watch later. Now content can be added by clicking the Add to Watch button on its detail page as well. Your viewing habit, watch history and content rating, thumbs up and down are used to personalize content recommendation on your screen as well. And this way you should be able to personalize settings in Peacock. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.